amazing art we can make from nature.
Man, oh man, I love making art from...
Just tap here and we'll get started making... Here's where you can store and view your latest creations.
Tap on any of the pictures to view or continue working on a previous picture. Hey, tap here to start a new masterpiece.
Whoa! Look at all the amazing nature art supplies. Select a tool to get started.
So there are...
Man, oh man, look at all the colors to choose from. You can choose your colors up here. You can move the slider up and down to choose the size here.
Look at all the items you can add to your design. Ooh, look at all these art tools we can get messy. I can make art and get dirty at the same time. That is a win-win for me, baby. I couldn't have done it better myself. Or could I? Wink, wink.
So much to choose from, it's hard to decide.
This funny butterfly.
So much to choose from, it's hard to decide.
No, it's not working.
These are very colorful. These are...
This is going to be one of the most nature-ific artworks yet.
So much to choose from, it's hard to decide. Oh, stickers, I just love stickers. You can stick them anywhere. That sure is a lot of cool stickers.
This is...
Way to go. You saved that picture. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
This is gonna be this good. It's way to see, but its sea can be freeze down. It started already.
Look at these amazing backgrounds to make art on.
We almost forgot in this one anymore.
Onward and artward.
These feathers really tickle me.
We need it. Oh my, started.
Yes. Like tree bark. Moss. Saber.
Excuse me.
Sand. Slate. Birch bark.
So much to choose from.
Wood. Slate.
No, you never can be missed at any time. Okay.
That sure is a lot of cool stickers. So much to choose from. It's hard. These feathers really tickle me.
And that's it.
Go.